We can use a classifying sentence, that is a sentence that starts with he, to say all kinds of things. That is a fountain, that is big, that is water, this is a flag, and this is yellow. So colours are something that we haven't talked about before. He kōwhai tēnei in the category of yellow is this near me, or obviously we would just say this is yellow. He karaka tēnei, this is orange. He kahurangi tērā, that over there is blue. He whero tērā, that over there is red. He kakariki tērā, that over there is green. And he kōwhai tēnei. So here are some colours. Whero, red. Kōwhai, yellow. Kakariki, green. Kikorangi, sky blue. Kahurangi, deep blue. Mā, white. Pango, black. Also mangu, also black, like an inky deep black. Paraone, brown. Karaka, orange. Waiporoporo, purple. Hiriwa, silver. Koura, gold, and kiwi, grey. So we can use these in a categorizing sentence using he. He pango tēnei waia, this phone is black. He mā tērā whare, that house is white. He kōwhai tērā motorbike, that motorbike is yellow. He whero tērā mea, that thing is red. And we can use these words as adjectives in a verbal sentence as well. Kei te pānui a rangi I te poka kōwhai, rangi is reading the yellow book. Kei te haere atu a mere ki te toa whero, mere is going to the red shop. Kei te taraiwa, te tāne I te waka pango, the man is driving the black car. And we can get even more complicated. Ka kai te kuri mā, I te kai paraone, the white dog will eat the brown food. O kei te oma, te ngeru pango, kei te manu kakariki, the black cat is running to the green bird. It's not going to end well for the bird, I tell you. Hopefully the bird will get away in time. Hope it does.